Story 31. A man being tormented. By a contrary wind in his belly, and not having the power to retain it, unwittingly allowed it to escape. He said, "Friends, I had no option, and when I did, the fault of it is not to be ascribed to me, and peace has resulted to my internal parts. Kindly excuse me." Well, I understand not blaming for a fart, but that's going above and beyond and trying to explain it, right? The belly is a prison of wind. O wise man, no sage retains wind in captivity. If wind twists thy belly, let it out, because wind in the belly is a burden to the heart. And just like other things, if you can't help that, well, just go about your day. Don't feel like you have to skip a meeting because you might pass gas in the meeting or whatever.